Good evening from cold California. It is time to travel. It's about 8:30. It's time to make that move to LA. As I said in the video, I'm running late. I thought it was 8:30. It's like 8:50. My flight leaves at 10:35. I should make it. I'm gonna have to speed though. I'm gonna show you what this M340 can do in the fast track lane. Gas again. Pretty cheap this time, $5. It's cold out here again, man. I don't know what's going on in California, but this ain't the normal weather we usually have here. Made it to the airport in time, y'all. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm on the plane to London and to Edinburgh, Scotland. New place, new destination. Let's get it. There's the bird for the night. It's like a 777-200. All right, guys, we get to go in comfort all the way to London. Let's see what's for dinner. Guys, it's cold. It's like 35 degrees. It's like probably 3 Celsius, but finally made it. Let's see what we got going on here tonight in London. It seems as if I underestimated this cold weather. This shit is ridiculous, and I can't take it. So I don't know how long I'll be here in this shit, to be honest. Ready to check into this W hotel here in London, y'all. Right in the heart of central London. Pretty cool hotel so far, guys. Wanna go tour around, check it out? So they upgraded me to a fabulous room from a wonderful. So let's check out this fabulous room for the W here in London. Nice digs. Oh, this is nice. Nice digs, you guys. No view, but that's cool. This is a really sick room. Let's take a look at the bathroom area. I don't even know where it is. Here's the shower. That's nice. Opens up from the mirrors. I'm assuming the toilet must be, that's a closet. And here is the toilet. So a little background on this room. I booked an original wonderful room, but since you are a platinum member, they automatically bump you up to the next level or to get suites. So this room was listed for $511 US here in London for the night. So it's time to go explore. See y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, time to go get me a bite to eat and a free welcome drink. That nice young lady at the front desk hooked me up with. Chinatown, you guys. Let's take a walk through and see what's going on over here. It's cold too. Hell out here, y'all. I don't know if I can stay out too long. I'm not used to this shit. Y'all can look at my channel and all my videos. I like tropical warm weather. Left wallet, credit cards, debit card in the room, so I have to come back get it real quick. No excuse to thaw out a little bit. So that was burger and lobster right next to the W. She was pretty good. Had a chicken sandwich, grilled chicken burger. Get the hell up out of this bar. It's definitely not my style. Yeah. I end the night at my hotel tonight, y'all. Take a look at the bar here in the hotel. Pretty cool. Look at this side. Normal gets you nowhere. Get a little champagne bar. High-end whiskeys. We have to go out of the building. Fire alarms going off. And it's cold. I'm taking a drink. They made us leave, but it was a false alarm, so now we get to go back into the hotel. All right, guys, that's it for day one on this trip. Gonna get up in the morning, go to the gym, get some breakfast, and head out to Heathrow. All right, good morning here from London, here at the W Hotel. Getting ready to go get some breakfast and then hit the gym. Had a pretty good sleep in the room. Nice comfortable bed. All right, let's go. I like this little, how they do the window. Nice touch. Still dark outside. It's almost 8 in the morning. Getting the spread all together here. Thank you. Some pancakes. All right, big breakfast. Enjoy. Thank you. So look what we got. We got some eggs, a couple hash browns, a little bit of toast, and some pancakes. Free breakfast when you're a Marriott Bonvoy Platinum member. Just smash those 2 plates, y'all. Quick. What's up, YouTube fam? And I just woke up feeling like crap. I caught a cold last night in that cold weather, so I've put my trip on hold. I'm gonna postpone and head back home and see what's going on with jumping on a flight either tonight or first thing in the morning from London back to LA. Can't do it. Not gonna go out there in that cold weather and jack myself up even worse. I don't feel good, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and call off the rest of this trip. I already canceled my room for the W Hotel in Edinburgh, so I might go and see if I can get one more night at this hotel. If not, I'm gonna start pushing towards Heathrow and get a room at the Moxie, and then lay down and rest, and hopefully get on the flight tomorrow morning at 11:50, or I might try tonight. We'll see. All right, so getting ready to check out. It's like 4 p.m. and feeling a little better. I rested pretty much all day, and now it's time to get some food and head out to the airport. Alright guys, getting up out of here. Too cold for me. I'll see you guys in the summertime, Europe. And this is the W Hotel in London. Just getting to the Moxie, you guys. About to check in for the night. Alright, so this is the Moxie. Good morning from London. Yeah, it trips me out. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's still dark outside. What's going on out here? This would drive me nuts, and it gets dark at like 4 p.m. Anyway, I feel better. I think I was probably hungover, to be honest with y'all. And being outside having the sniffles all day, so I don't know. But I'm gonna go try to work out and do Insanity, and then I'll see how I feel after that. But I'm still heading home on the 1 o'clock flight today, so I got to get out of here and get prepared better for cold weather destinations. Just wasn't prepared, so it was stupid to even come down here with a hoodie and it's 30 degrees. That's just dumb. Anyway, we're gonna finish up this trip here at the gym and then get on the plane, go back to LA, regroup, and go somewhere tropical.
Going down.
Go in here to this gym, get a workout in. Get a stretch on, you guys. No sauna, no steam room, so I gotta warm up extra long to make sure I don't pull any muscles or tear something. So I'll take about 15 minutes stretching up, loosening up the body. All right, y'all, that's 1 hour in the books, 350 calories. All right, guys, at Heathrow. Getting ready to check in for my flight, go to the lounge, a little Centurion Lounge action here in the airport. Get out of this cold weather. And this is Chasing Gains, and I'm out, baby. Oh, there's the company medal. Like a 87-900. You got this damn flight leaving at the last gate in the terminal. Terminal 3. And gate 42 for us on this flight. I haven't departed from 42 ever.
That's what just Anthony said.
2L, 2L.
2L, crossover, second left.